Is your Galaxy S23 about to get smarter, faster, and a whole lot better? It sure looks like it. Samsung has officially started internal testing for One UI 8.0 on the Galaxy S23 series, and that's big news for users who've been waiting for meaningful updates. The first sign of this progress comes from a leaked for more version S918BXXSADYF1 spotted on Samsung's internal servers. This build is based on Android 16 and targets the European model of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now that testing has begun, it means Samsung is making steady progress on bringing its next big software update to last year's flagship. While newer models like the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S24 are already in active development phases, Samsung usually rolls out its software in stages. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are set to debut the stable version of One UI 8.0 in July 2025. After that, the update will move to the Galaxy S25 lineup, then the Galaxy S24, and finally the Galaxy S23 series. That likely puts the S23 update somewhere around the third quarter of this year, possibly August or September. Things stay on track. Now, let's talk about what One UI 8.0 is actually bringing to the table. This update is based on Android 16 and introduces several small but noticeable changes. First, there's a refreshed look to Quick Share, making it easier to send files between devices. The Samsung Internet browser also gets a cleaner design, which should make web browsing smoother. Another helpful change is in multitasking. Samsung adding a 90:10 split-screen view, so you can give more space to the app you're focused on and still keep another one open on the side. Samsung DeX also gets upgraded, allowing more flexibility for people who use their phones like computers. Calendar and reminders apps are getting a light refresh too, with more options and a neater layout. If you love customizing how your phone behaves throughout the day, you'll appreciate the new settings in modes and routines. You can now automate more actions based on time, location, or device status, helping your phone match your lifestyle. But it's not just about looks and layout. Samsung is also improving performance and security. The Secure folder gets upgraded, using the latest Android 16 privacy updates from Google, offering more peace of mind for people who store sensitive files and data. On top of that, the AI-powered text selection tool, known as AI Select, is being improved to better recognize what you highlight and offer faster actions like copying, translating, or searching based on that content. It's a small touch, but it can make daily tasks a lot faster. With all these features coming, the Galaxy S23 is shaping up to have a strong second life in 2025. It's also a smart move by Samsung to keep older models feeling fresh and up to date, especially as competition in the Android space heats up. So, if you're using a Galaxy S23, there's plenty to look forward to. These updates not only give your phone new tools, but also help extend its life with Android 16 and improved support. And for anyone considering buying a Galaxy S23 at a discounted price, now might be the right time before the update lands and demand rises again. What do you think? Are you ready for One UI 8.0, or is there something else you're hoping Samsung adds? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button if you're excited about this update, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. Would you still be excited about a super thin phone if one part of it stuck out way more than expected? That's what people are wondering after a new leak about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. At first, the Fold 7 looked like it would be Samsung's most polished and slim foldable phone yet. We're talking around 9mm thick when it's folded and just about 4.5mm when it's opened up flat. That's seriously thin. Thinner than previous Galaxy Z Fold models and even close to the numbers we've seen from brands like Huawei. Their Mate X Ultimate comes in at just 3.6mm unfolded, which is incredibly slim, so naturally, expectations were high. But now, we're getting a different picture, and not everyone's happy about it. A new image render posted on Reddit by a user named PR0Fisi has people talking for all the wrong reasons. According to the post, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 may come with a much larger camera bump than expected. This isn't just a small rise like we've seen on past models. The triple camera setup sits on a thick camera island that really sticks out, especially when viewed from the side. Yes, the image shows the phone inside a case, which usually adds some bulk, but the camera bar itself still looks massive compared to the rest of the phone. And here's the thing, in a phone that's supposed to be all about thinness and sleekness, that bump might feel out of place. Now, for some people, this won't be a big deal. If the camera system delivers excellent photo and video quality, they'll be willing to accept the larger bump. And let's be honest, camera bumps are not exactly new. Even flagship phones from Apple, Google, and Samsung have camera modules that stick out. But when a brand makes thin design a key selling point, and then adds something that makes the phone feel bulky from one side, it sends mixed signals. People who were drawn to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for its slim profile might feel like they're getting a device that looks great from the front but feels unbalanced from the back, and the reaction online shows just that. Some people are saying the bump ruins the clean look of the phone. Others argue that the performance is what matters most, and if the camera is amazing, the design won't stop them from buying it. There's also a group that just doesn't care about super thin phones. They're okay with a phone that's around 10 millimeters thick if it means better battery life, better cooling, or better cameras. But not everyone feels that way, especially when the buzz around the Z Fold 7 has been about how incredibly slim and modern it looks. The bigger issue here might be how Samsung is balancing all the features in this phone. They want it to be thin, powerful, and have excellent cameras, but you can't always have all three without making compromises. And maybe this camera bump is one of those compromises. The leaked image isn't confirmed, and things could change when Samsung officially reveals the phone, which is expected to happen in July during their Unpacked event. But even if it's not the final version, the leak has already shaped people's expectations. In the end, it comes down to what you value more. If camera performance is your top priority, you might not care about the bump, but if you were mainly excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for its super thin, futuristic design, this new camera detail could be a letdown. Either way, we'll know soon enough when Samsung finally shows the real thing. Until then, let us know in the comments, would a big camera bump stop you from buying an otherwise amazing foldable phone? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech leaks and launches.
Have you ever struggled to